We just found the original PlayStation logo concepts. Get out of here. What is the German-looking one over there? That's not real. The one on the left, maybe. The one in the middle, because you're familiar with it, but it is a funky logo. It's pretty crazy as a logo. Like, when's the last time you see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color logo? I guess Google was super colorful, but this one has also the multi-dimensional thing going on. Like the P just like jumped up from the S. And it's like the S is like a road that brings you to the P.
It was very iconic at the time.
It's super iconic, still is. Nostalgia is at the forefront of PlayStation branding. The 4 bold colors, well, I guess I included white as a color as well. Familiar lettering in a combination, it's a combination any gamer would instantly recognize, but it had to go through a bunch of iterations, and this is Will's graphic over here. Good Lord. Some of those seem so unlikely to happen. Others I can kind of imagine. But what interesting brainstorming, and how, what would you say, how, like, what do you think their aim was? Because it does seem kind of maybe a little childish, pleasant. What do you think their directive was? It's like, come up with a colorful logo that elicits what emotion?
I think very playful.
Playful, okay, PlayStation.
Because this was around the same time the N64 came out. And that logo was very, like, multicolored and also 3D at the same time.
But it was more blocky.
Yeah, yeah. And you can kind of see, like, the development through the logos. It's starting to get more 3D at some point.
Yeah, because games were becoming more 3D.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But even the original one was kind of cool.
I don't mind that one. I can go all the way back to that one.
Just like the 3 circles.
Yeah.
And that has a 3D element. This looks like a racing one.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, like the colors changed as well. Like it was dark before, like a dark blue. And then they had to make it more bright, more fun.
Did they get the right one? Did they pick the right one, Will? I think so.
I think, yeah, with the text as well. I think they did a good job.
I think they picked the right one. And which one is the worst one?
Maybe one of these two.
I was gonna say the one on the left, dead in the middle. Yeah, that one. I don't know what that one was.
This one's this one's probably the worst. Although this one is a good runner-up in terms of, like, this could have been the PlayStation logo.
Yeah, I'm glad it's not though.
Yeah. Was this like a shadow or something? It might have been like some sort of shadow to the S that was on the floor.
It looks like if it was laid down, it would fit into the same space. Yeah,
it had some sort of illusion there, but yeah, kind of cool. Progress.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.